Money laundering involves disguising financial assets so they can be used without detection of the illegal activity that produced them. Through money laundering, the criminal transforms the monetary proceeds derived from criminal activity into funds with an apparently legal source. Explanation by Michael B. Madumba.
Sa money laundering, merong tatlong stages. Placement, layering, saka integration. Dako tayo sa placement. Yung placement, the initial stage of money laundering where the illegal obtained money is placed in the financial system. Ilalagay nila sa bangko yan. Sa number 2, layering. Layering, transferring the money to hide the original of funds to prevent the tracing back to the illicit funds to transfer to another account. Yung ano na yan, yung pera na nilagay nila sa bangko, invest nila yan sa casino, kaya ita-transfer nila yan sa iba't ibang account. Para maraming layering, para hindi ma-detect yung original na pera. Para malito yung investigador. Yan yung ginagawa nila dyan sa layering. Integration is the returning money back to the economy, buying to asset, goods. Ito yung nag-withdraw na. Tapos, binili mo na yung mga product na gusto mo. Di malinis na yung pera.